Hey guys, what's up? And this is your CJ Diza again. And today we're gonna have our new vlog. Because in this vlog, we're gonna make a Aquiline International Boeing 777-200ER. Also, this plane used to repatriate OFW, Overseas Filipino Workers from Middle East, going back to the Philippines due to the conflict of US and Iran. So before that, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to always updated for my new videos like this. And let's start it now.